Hi guys, hope you're all staying at home and staying safe. So today we're going to be reviewing Chanakya IAS Academy, which is located in Delhi. I'm sure if you are someone who wants to take up IAS exams or UPSC exams in the future, you would have definitely heard about Chanakya IAS Academy. It is a very famous academy in Delhi and it is a very reputed academy. So it was it was established in 1993, and they have given given their services to more than 3,000 civil servants all across the nation. So for reviewing this academy, we're going to be visiting blog.oureducation.in. So blog.oureducation.in is a very trusted website. It is one of the oldest websites. It has been around for 11 years, and they give unbiased and honest reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. Not only that, they also give consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Style, and Sulekha. So as you can see here, Chanakya IAS Academy has been given a rating of 7 out of 10. This is their overall rating of 7 out of 10 by blog.oureducation, which is a really impressive rating. Compared to all the other institutes we have seen so far, this is the highest. So you can also see their rating on different parameters like their past year results, their infrastructure, their batch size, their faculty quality, and their fees. Everything has a good rating. Some of the pros of this institute are that they have good infrastructure, they have very good batch size, and batch size means the number of students in each class, and if this is a low number, this is amazing. So that will ensure that you get more attention in the class, etc. So also they have very highly qualified and experienced faculty members. They also give you information about the latest current affairs. Very few institutions have this as their pros, because very few institutions like Shriram IAS Academy, Chanakya IAS Academy, only they give like a current affairs. They give you a handout after every class. They give you a handout of the current affairs news section, which is very important in these exams. Also, they provide easy tricks and techniques. Some of their cons are that they are not very affordable. They have a high fee structure, and they do not update their study material as often. So Chanakya IAS Academy is located in Delhi, and so you can also see some good and bad reviews. Some students who have studied in this academy have given their personal reviews, both good and bad. So for example, this student has said that they are a civil service aspirant, and if you want to crack the UPSC exams, then they suggest you to join this academy and also prepare yourself a little bit. So this academy is not for those students who are very serious and have already appeared for the exams. So they have had a bitter experience at Chanakya IAS Academy, and they're complaining about the high cost. So as I told you, that this academy is not the most affordable, so they had to pay 1.5 lakhs. And so yeah, you can read in detail about the reviews, and all that they offer you. So the courses that they offer are GS Prelims and Mains, GS Prelims Comes Mains, plus CSAT, plus SA, plus the optional subjects, and optional subjects they charge extra for those. Then they also prepare you for CSAT, and the optional subjects include history, geography, political science, sociology, public administration, and mathematics. So the important contact details of this institute are given. So this is their address, their contact number. Their batch size is 50, which is very average, and this is a good batch size. Their fees is really high, 2,20,000 for the optional subjects as well. And this is their website, chanakyaIASacademy.org. Then this is their rating. They've got a rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. So among the top 5 coaching centers in Delhi, they are ranked number 5, which is very impressive, just after Chahal Academy. So they also put emphasis on essay writing, and they also give you exhaustive tests on GS Prelims and Mains, and the tests are conducted module wise as well as subject wise. So I hope this was helpful to you all, and if it was, don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are also going to write these exams in the future. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.